How do I pair my iPhone to Uconnect? To pair your iPhone with Uconnect, please follow these steps. 1. Turn on your vehicle and activate Uconnect's pairing mode by pressing the Uconnect button on your dashboard or steering wheel. 2. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth. 3. Your iPhone should automatically start searching for available Bluetooth devices. 4. When you see the Uconnect device in the list of available devices, tap on it to begin the pairing process. 5. If prompted for a PIN, enter the code displayed on the Uconnect screen. If there's no code displayed, try entering 0000 as the PIN. 6. Wait for the pairing process to complete, which may take a few moments. 7. Once the pairing process is complete, you should see a message on both your iPhone and the Uconnect screen confirming the connection. 8. You can now make hands-free calls and stream audio through your vehicle's sound system. 9. If you have trouble during the pairing process, consult your vehicle's user manual or contact Uconnect customer support for assistance. 10. If your iPhone is already paired with Uconnect and you're having trouble connecting, try deleting the device from your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and starting the pairing process again. 11. To delete a paired device from your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap on the icon next to the Uconnect device, and select Forget this device. 12. Remember to always disconnect your iPhone from Uconnect when you're finished using it to prevent any unauthorized access to your device. 13. To disconnect your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap on the icon next to the Uconnect device, and select Disconnect. 14. Enjoy your connected iPhone and Uconnect system. If you still experience any issues, you can contact customer support for assistance. Link in description box.